In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Outlook with Google Calendar for 2025 in a straightforward, step-by-step manner. If you often find yourself juggling between work and personal events across different calendar platforms, this tutorial is just what you need. We're going to make sure both your Outlook and Google Calendar are perfectly synchronized, ensuring you never miss an important event. First, let's start by publishing your Outlook calendar. Begin by navigating to your Outlook calendar online. You can do this by heading over to outlook.com and signing in with your credentials. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click on the gear icon to access settings. From there, you'll need to select View All Outlook Settings. Next, in the Settings menu, locate and click on Shared Calendars. This is where you'll be able to manage how your calendar is accessed. Under the section labeled Publish a Calendar, choose the specific calendar you'd like to sync from the drop-down menu. After selecting your desired calendar, you'll need to set the permission level to Can View All Details. This is crucial as it allows full access to the calendar details you want to share. Once that's done, click on Publish. A new link will appear on the screen. This link is an ICS link, which is essential for the next steps. Make sure you copy this link as you'll need it to integrate with Google Calendar. Now let's move on to adding your Outlook calendar to Google Calendar. Open Google Calendar in a new tab on your web browser. Look to the left sidebar and you'll see Other Calendars and click on the plus icon next to it. From the menu that appears, select From URL. Here's where the link you copied earlier comes into play. Paste the ICS link into the URL box provided. Once the link is pasted, click on Add Calendar. By doing this, you're essentially importing your Outlook calendar directly into your Google Calendar. Congratulations, your Outlook calendar will now appear under Other Calendars in Google Calendar. One thing to keep in mind is that new events from Outlook might take up to 24 hours to sync with Google Calendar. However, once they're in sync, you'll have a seamless experience across both platforms, making it much easier to keep track of all your commitments. And that's it! You've successfully synced your Outlook calendar with your Google Calendar. This simple integration allows you to manage your schedules more efficiently and ensures that you're always up to date with your events, no matter which platform you're using. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.